Hey folks, welcome back to Military Forces Unleashed. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating stories in modern naval history, the TCG Kınalıada, Turkey's pride in indigenous warship technology. Now, this isn't your typical destroyer or submarine. This corvette has a reputation for shaking up the naval game in the Black Sea and beyond. In this episode, we'll explore its evolution, groundbreaking technologies, and how it's redefining maritime power. Get ready for some deep waters, literally and figuratively. To understand the TCG Kınalıada, we need to rewind to the early 2000s, when Turkey launched the MILGEM program. Back then, Turkey's naval ambitions were modest, focused more on coastal defense than blue water operations. The idea of building an indigenous warship was almost laughable to skeptics. But as Norman Friedman might put it, innovation often starts where doubt lingers. The Kınalıada's story begins with its predecessor, the MILGEM-class corvettes. Designed to boost Turkey's shipbuilding capabilities, these vessels were a response to geopolitical tensions, particularly in the Aegean and Eastern Mediterranean. By the time Kınalıada was launched in 2017, the stage was set for a new era in Turkish naval strategy. But let's not sugarcoat it. The road wasn't smooth. Engineers faced hurdles like integrating advanced sensors and indigenous weapon systems, a logistical headache that even the most optimistic budgets couldn't ignore. Fun fact, the name Kınalıada translates to Henna Island, one of Istanbul's iconic Prince's Islands. The ship's name might sound idyllic, but don't let that fool you. This corvette is anything but a peaceful retreat. So, what makes the TCG Kınalıada stand out in a sea of warships? For starters, its stealth-focused design. The angular hull and radar-absorbing materials make it a ghost on the water. Think of it as the naval equivalent of a ninja, sleek, silent, and deadly. Under the hood, the ship is packed with cutting-edge tech. Armed with the indigenous Atmaka anti-ship missile and domestically produced torpedoes, it's built for versatility. Its sonar systems can detect threats lurking in the depths, while its 76 mm main gun ensures it can pack a punch in surface engagements. It's like a Swiss Army knife for naval warfare. But here's where it gets really interesting. The Kınalıada's advanced command and control system allows seamless integration with NATO forces. This isn't just a win for Turkey, it's a statement to the world that they're ready to play with the big boys. As Eric Wertheim would note, this level of interoperability is a game changer in modern naval conflicts. Let's not forget its role in real-world operations. The Kınalıada has been deployed in high-stakes missions in the Eastern Mediterranean, showcasing its ability to handle complex tasks, from surveillance to combat scenarios. However, these missions also highlight a persistent issue: maintenance. Keeping this beast operational is no small feat, and logistical challenges remain a thorn in its side. Now let's break this down. Is the TCG Kınalıada a marvel of engineering or just another overhyped naval project? On the plus side, its indigenous design and advanced weaponry put Turkey on the map as a serious contender in naval innovation. It's a symbol of technological independence, a big middle finger to reliance on foreign suppliers. The integration of locally produced systems like the Genesis Combat Management System is not just a technological statement, but a geopolitical one, showcasing Turkey's growing self-reliance in defense manufacturing. But let's not kid ourselves. Fuel efficiency? Not its strong suit. Critics have also pointed out that while the stealth features are impressive, they're not invincible. Advanced radar systems from adversaries like Russia and Greece could potentially neutralize its edge. As James Holmes might argue, technological marvels are only as good as the strategy behind them. Moreover, stealth in modern naval combat isn't a guarantee of survivability. The TCG Kınalıada's radar cross-section reduction works best at long ranges, but in close encounters, it might not provide the advantage Turkey hopes for. Another sticking point is cost. Developing and maintaining a fleet of these corvettes isn't exactly cheap. Budget overruns have been a recurring theme in the MILGEM program, leading to debates over whether these resources could be better spent elsewhere. Critics also question whether focusing on corvettes detracts from the Navy's ability to field larger, more versatile platforms. The truth? Probably somewhere in the middle. The Kınalıada is undeniably a leap forward for Turkey, but it's also a reminder that naval innovation doesn't come without its share of growing pains and compromises. At the end of the day, the TCG Kınalıada is both a symbol of innovation and a cautionary tale of overambition. It embodies the complexities of modern naval warfare, where strategy, technology, and politics collide. As Brian McGrath might say, it's a testament to how far you can push boundaries, but also a reminder that there's no such thing as a perfect warship. The Kınalıada represents Turkey's bid to stand tall in an increasingly competitive maritime arena. It's a ship designed to punch above its weight, but the question remains, will it? While its strengths in localized production and advanced combat systems are undeniable, the ship also highlights the challenges of balancing innovation with practicality. It's a bold move, but boldness isn't always enough. The future success of this program will depend on how effectively Turkey can address the shortcomings and adapt to emerging threats. So, what do you think? Is the Kınalıada a step forward for Turkey's Navy, or is it sailing into troubled waters? Does it symbolize a new era of naval independence, or is it just another overly ambitious project with limited real-world impact? Maybe it's a bit of both, a promising step forward that still has a long way to go. Whatever your perspective, one thing is clear. This ship has sparked conversations about the future of naval innovation in Turkey and beyond. We want to know your thoughts, whether you're a fan of cutting-edge tech or a skeptic of its practicality. Drop your insights, debates, and even your wild theories in the comments below. We're here to dive into the discussion with you and uncover the real impact of the TCG Kınalıada. Thanks for watching and supporting Military Forces Unleashed. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of naval innovation, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Got a topic you want us to cover next? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep exploring the high seas of military history. See you in the next video.